fast forward, we're going to do some vocabulary work from our guided reading text. So we're going to start on page 76 and we're looking at the word constellation. I'm going to read a little bit of text to you, and then in your books you will write the word down, and then you'll write underneath what you think it means, and then I'll tell you what it means, and you can either tick it or change it if you need to. Okay, so the first word, constellation, is on page 76. So, it had shone up there for billions and trillions and zillions of years in the constellation of Orion, that great shape of a giant hunter that strides across the space of autumn and winter nights. Okay, so what do we think a constellation is? Write it in your books now. Brilliant. A constellation is a group of stars that are in the sky that you can see at night. Okay, so hopefully you've all got that right. Further down the same page for the next word, which is astronomers. Astronomers, peering through their telescopes, noticed it first. Who are astronomers? What do they do? Pause the video and write it in your book. Okay, we've done that. Brilliant. Right, so astronomers are people that study stars and how they change and how they move, and that's why they need telescopes to look at things from so far away. Hopefully we all got that right. The next one, meteorite, is on page 78. It was rushing towards the world, faster than a bullet, faster than any rocket, faster than even a meteorite. And if it hit the world at that speed, the world would simply be blasted to bits in a twinkling of an eye. So what do you think a meteorite is? Into your books then. Oh, did you get it right? A meteorite is a big piece of rock that's floating around in space, and sometimes they come towards planets and it's really quite scary, I think. I've never seen one, thankfully. So our next word, which is charred, we're moving on to page 89. So we have the space bat angel dragon, and he's threatening the world, and he said it better be fed quickly, otherwise it would leave the world looking like a charred pebble. What does charred mean? Have a think. Right, hopefully we've done that. Charred means burnt. So I don't know if you've ever done like what I've done, you've left something in the oven and forgotten about it, and it's come out all black and crunchy and usually smells not very nice. Okay, our next word is combined, and that's on page 91. It says, and so it was that all the peoples of the earth declared war on the monster and sent out their armed forces in a grand combined operation. What does combined mean? Right, combined means everybody working all together, okay? So everybody's working all together to try and get rid of this monster. The last one, projectiles, is on the same page. What a terrific attack. Rockets, projectiles of all sorts, missiles, bombs and shells and flamethrowers, everything was tried. So what do you think a projectile is? Right? A projectile is something that's thrown or launched at another thing. In this case, it's the space bat angel dragon, if I've got the words in the right order. Okay, right, are there any other words that you could find in this chapter that you don't know the meanings of, and maybe find the meanings of them using Google or a dictionary, or even your mums and dads, or grannies or granddads, or whoever's helping you to do your homeschooling? Okay, see you next time.